Well, and the following is set the animation for this layer. We want this character to come from bottom to the top, and when it reaches the top, it wants to have an act and movement of its own. First of all, we set the keyframe for this position. Press P to show the position. Move the keyframes a little further. And first bring the position down. Select the keyframes. Press F9 is ease. We change its graph to this state, and we also turn motion blur on. We do not want the character to be seen outside of the yellow area. To do this, we create a shape the size of this flag and alpha matte this character on this shape, so that is not visible outside this shape. Click on the pen and draw that shape. Just be careful that no layer is selected. We put the shape on the top of this layer. Change the name of the layer to the character. Now click on this toggle switch. From the trick matte section, we do alpha matte in the shape layer. Now when the character is out of this part, is not visible until to enter this part. In this part, we want the character to has a very small act. To do this, we use the puppet position pin tool. We insert a few pins on different parts of the character body, which in fact becomes the character joint, this middle part and this upper part. These keyframes are specified. We move a little further, move the pins, we set to the way we want, and the keyframe is set automatically. Well, as we see now, the 2 pins we created are not enough. We have to add another one. Select another pin at the bottom and on the foot. Press U again to show the keyframe. Well, in the front, we bring the keyframe back a bit where the rest of the keyframe was from the beginning. Now, we change the position of the keyframe a little and a little more in front. Shakes twice. Finally, we copy and paste the first keyframes of the first mode. Let's see how it works. Okay, well, that's great. Let's go to the next part, which is this part. We just want this part to come from right to left. We set the keyframe for its position. Well, exactly where the character stopped moving. That is here. We set the keyframe for the position. Bring the keyframe forward. And we move the first keyframe of the position to the right. For this part, you have to create a shape layer like the previous case and insert alpha matte for this shape layer. Select the keyframes, press F9 is ease, and now we draw a shape. Just make sure that no layer is selected. Select the pen, the upper part in the same way that the yellow flag is. We draw a shape. We bring the shape layer on the top of the red layer that we have from the trick matte section, we applied alpha matte to the shape layer we just drew. Let's see how it goes. Well, in the next part, we will animate the rest of the logo.